Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Bluetooth light bulb speakers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BSOD LED RGB Color Bluetooth Control Smart Music Audio Speaker Lamps. Equipped with environmental protection features, this Bluetooth light bulb speaker ensures bright light and energy-saving features. Surprisingly, the product makes use of the LED chip in the form of its light source. What is more, this speaker is comparable to a 50W halogen bulb, being compatible with most electrical outlets. It works seamlessly for 110 volts and also for 220 volts. Not to mention, it provides high compatibility as it is good to go with various devices, namely Apple Watch, iPhone, iPod, etc. Coming with multifunctional features, users can use it as either a Bluetooth speaker or a light bulb device. This could be your most favorite colorful light dance to go to every party. Moving on at number 4, we have the Magic Hue 11-watt light bulb. Now you can personalize your lighting with the desired color presented by this Bluetooth light bulb speaker. You can conveniently choose from a color palette of more than 16 million colors and a wide range of tones of white, ranging from 2000K to 9000K. This includes pure white, warm white, and natural white. You would be amazed by the fact that every color is dimmable. Make your children's bedtime a pleasing experience, or commence the party in an exceptional way. At number 3, we have the Autai LED light bulb. The unique specialty of this device is its RGBW multi-color changing feature. You can choose from warm white and cool white for adjusting the brightness. To add on, there is the provision of an iLink app to adjust colors. The wireless control distance is also found to be 16 to 26 feet. Besides, its packaging includes the sound speaker of the light bulb. This allows you to play your smartphone music on an exhausting day. At number 2, we have the Sengled Solo Smart Bulb with dual-channel speakers. Recognized as the world's first LED-based light bulb with stereo speakers, this smart speaker bulb is assured to entice you. It comes with an energy-efficient feature and lots of useful aspects that worth the price offered. The device incorporates a left-right stereo sound effect for unique music experience. Now enjoy music anywhere and anytime. And finally at number 1, we have the ICOCO Bluetooth Smart Speaker. A perfect Bluetooth light bulb speaker for your bedroom, corridor, cabinet, workshop, basement, stairwell, garage, door, and other places. It is recommended to try out this device. Basically, it is a kind of multicolored smart LED bulb with a built-in Bluetooth speaker. It is not always feasible to incorporate a sound system in all the rooms of your home. For such cases, his speaker from ICOCO helps a lot. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.